Okay, it is snowing and I'm feeling a little stir crazy. So I'm gonna go out here and get ready to go for a run. It may not be that long. Whoa! And I'll probably slip and bust my rear, but we'll see how it goes. All right, well, a little over half a mile so far. Haven't busted myself yet, slipping on the ground. With the snow on the ground, this seems to help a little bit with the traction. Well, all right, this is with Protune on and adjusted to low sharpness, 0.5 negative EVA, and we'll see how it works. All right, here I am, middle of the snow, beautiful forest. One of the reasons I love living around here. And yeah, about 1.5 miles. Not a big run, but at least I'm getting out for a run. I'm pretty much coming to the end of the run. Put in about 2 miles. It's not a lot, but running slow in the snow and being safe is good enough for me. So yeah, that's the end of it.